Subscribe to this channel. It's right at YouTube.
Mavado, this is Granny Guinness. I heard you get married, and I wish you all the best in life. We down in Catawba, peace, miss you a lot. A lot of us cry for you. And I hope your new bride will take care of you. And I want to tell you, Mavado, when I don't have anything, and I always pass going to St. Mary, you always give me my fare, and you always give me money. I shouldn't say that, but I have to expose to the public where you're coming from. You're a bashful guy. You always kind to the elderly them in Catawba peace. We don't mind what they want to say about you, Mavado. You always do good to us up there. Your mom, I remember in the days when your mom always, I called her and I said, give me a little change, and she said, come on, my son is doing singing now, And I said, what, he's doing singing? And she said, yes. I said, okay, I'm going to contact him one of these days when I cross in the bridge by Catawba peace, and I'm going to ask him for a thing. And I tell you, he gave me a big money, but I'm not going to expose it on the air. But Mavado, keep up. We love you, and always give to others. And Mavado, when I was to get married, them said to me, say, Mrs. Mavado, that your husband going to get married to a girl in Florida. I said, what are you saying? He do? And I said, yes. Me punch up for me at the same time, I was going to send me with the bug for me, and just jump on me, so boof. Because they say you're married. I said, it's okay. He always support me. And when I'm hungry, he give everyone he can have a piece something. So I don't want anyone against him. Mavado, this is Granny Guinness. You always support me. And you know what I call you? Remember what I call you? Hard water. And you always there for me and for all the elders. If anyone is against you, I don't know. But they said that they're going to get married and it's on a star. They said, when we see star, I'm on table star, I said, Mavado married? Table star, I said, Mavado married? And me a pass, the man say, Mavado. I said, no. He said, my table star, I get married. But me used to you, me no worry, say nothing to him. And I go to come up a bridge. And I want to say, Mavado married. And I say, may God, me will up me another year. And we will up me another year, me start crying, Mavado. And then guy said, drink water. Remember we call it hard water. And they said, drink the water. Mavado, go and carry the water. Flow upon you, Mavado. So they can't stop you. The water flow upon you. A blessing. No strong liquor. The water flow upon you, Mavado. Mavado, they can't stop you. This is Granny Guinness worldwide. I talk to you. And I want your wife hear me, And I want you bless your wife. Give your wife a kiss for me, And right now, me there on bridge, me a talk. And me phone me there on a talk, me my phone a talk. See me, Mavado, me call me say, the man them down here say, Mavado go to Florida, go married. And hear them, but I say, Mavado pass. They say, I'm not going to leave the man, I can get success. Mavado, make you come back on your wife. When she come down, make she meet me, Mrs. Mavado, Granny. Love her, baby. And his sister Portia now in Jamaica. Our government gone clear, baby. Love you. And thank you for what you have done for me. And I want you to build up me close to me if I want one room, yes, sir. And your wife, me want to meet her. What me say? Me want to meet you. You know something, when you miss it by a scat, and I'm going to miss it on a race road, I'm going to say, Mavado, I hear them down there, so I call you for vice card. It's like a mistake. And anyway, now what you say? Me miss vice still too. And you miss him too. Now we leave it up. Mavado, I'm going to Guinness attack you worldwide, the internet, and me big, me say me God clear, man, me do Michael Jackson dance. And me do Buju Bands and thing, and me do Wayne Marshall thing, and me say, me don't want nothing from them, me just don't want them to go forward. I'm going to say, you want to go forward. You are the best one to give me any amount of money I want as an older man. I'm able to sign it for you. If I'm sign it for you, go check me. I'm sign it and tell the world. I'm Mr. Obama and everyone say you give me money. When I'm hungry, you take care of the old lady. You hear me say, sir? And wifey, and give me any money I want. And take care of me, ma'am. Me never sit me here, ma'am. And look about me. Mistress Mavado. I was Mrs. Mavado, but I am Granny Mavado now. Don't worry yourself, baby. Bless him and take care of him. His mother is so nice in the days back when I didn't have anything and I saw his mother and I said, come here. you working? And he said, my son working. And I said, don't what you work you do. Your son will to make it. Them licking father are foreign. And what I like about him stand up to success. And Jamaican, I am giving a world talk, you know. Right over the world, Jimmy Cliff, Bounty Killer, and Ninja Man, and Elephant Man, and all of them. Lucian and the whole of the artists. I'm going to give this attack. You know, love my brother. Him try. And me say, me no want nobody trouble him. Him try. Add water, I'm going to give this attack to you. You hear me say, sir? I'm in love what you do. Then don't get mad over you, Baba. Don't worry yourself. Pull it up. I'll drink your water, see you here. Drink your water. You know me, I drink my water, Cadbury water. And you drink water. I drink the Cadbury. Love you, Mrs. Mavado. Please take care of him. Give him in Jamaica this ackee and sawfish. And him love him little rundown. And him little soup. Take care of him. Jamaican will love Mavado. Mavado, make kids come along with your wife. They can't stop you. Mavado, you know say the election that come and you give me my money before election come? Mavado, you remember when they get to the bridge? About me arrange. And you then boy, how much Mavado give after you're too fast. Leave me husband. Get away. He's traveling to success. You and boy, Lord God, Mavado going clearing and parado. Mavado, you say you're going to clear your parado. Me case kundang, you know. Me want see you kundang, Granny Guinness. Me a worldwide, no me the internet, and look at you will see me, Mr. Mavado and Mrs. Mavado. Please come down. We love you, and we are praying for you. Let me tell you, when you come down, let Mrs. Mavado hit because they can't serve out here, and can run down. And your mommy is so nice to me. Mavado, look at me face in the camera. Come me good looking. But you get a nice looking wife more than me. I love you, baby. Bye. Come soon to Jamaica. Yes, but me would do a video and he said, but me embarrass him so. I do a video and go talk about it and he see me and say, you have to talk that. Stop it.
Alright.
Give me the details. You know, him say, well, then what you were done here. Me do it, man. I mean, Marshall thing. Then they come out, go back, they compare the girl come and came and I'm going to read and say, Granny Guinness this again. I said, Mama, you don't have to worry, watch that. Your mother was a small lady, small second, and your mother couldn't do that. You know, she could say again, the man I got back to me, you know. I was thinking me $2,000, you know, in the election, you know. Yeah. In my Foota hype, they got to say, Foota hype, Mama, you used to sell fish. And Foota hype, mad, so me nothing know. Foota hype, say, I don't say, Mama, I sell fish. Me say, Foota hype, you know, to be in there. She should do it in her voice about that. Jesus Christ, babe, we can't do it. We can't, no question. Can't do that. And Foota hype, Mama sells fish. Foota hype, a big star. In my mother, they found a good term, you know. But fish, Foota hype. Yeah, we can make a small, yeah, TV series, you know. My mother used to do it. My mother, I'm in a business, your mother used to do all the day work and the clothes and go like this. So you don't have to worry about that. Everybody, my mother, come from a scratch. So you don't have to worry yourself about that. You know what I mean? We are doing a scratch and we get up ambition to reach over there. And you hear no people tell you over there. Some say they never have no clothes. They never have no shoes, my people have no clothes. So, my brother, when you hear a man describe and say, oh, where you come from? Don't worry, no, but take pride now what you say about that. Just relax because you're gone clear now. You see me? After me see my mother, you know for yourself. Your mother me used to go out where she do her day's work. And she's a nice woman. Say not for yourself. What that? I got to take and make you elevate and your ambition, make you build up. Your father, they shoot your father after my father. Right? And you get so mad. But don't worry yourself, my father. Don't worry yourself, you have something now. And even if your wife died for 9 years, your background, she not, if she's not properly wife, she not worry yourself. Like I tell you, my father, you have to down on earth to reach up where you is. My father, nothing to worry about, you know. Your mother, my father, look at a big house, you know. Eh? 1 room, 2 room, 3 room, 4 room. And you're going to have a big house now. Big house, one room, you got a big house. So the big thing them. Panigoli bank, then no. I ain't have to worry yourself. You see, you're gone clear. So nobody shame about that. And you thief, and the crime you commit. You lay down the poor, and you take them and set up yourself. All of us, watch me now, I said that's myself, you know, my mother. You're supposed to have money, I drink, I drop like a star, I drop from heaven, you know. And like a starlight for my Christmas time, you see me? Starlight, boom, big, my mother, because Christmas time, you starlight. You see the starlight, I drop down my mother, I drop, I gone, you know. But I say, my mother, they lick Michael Jackson thing, you know. And I say, I get a big 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, we get over far, we build it. So, yes, you know, I get a wicked lick off now. Me now watch nothing. When you never have nothing, you come like a star that drop down and see there, you got peers or what? What the big thing? Put pride aside. Be like Jamaica. Look what Jamaica do. Push on cat. And when big to the deal. Come on. Don't my pride make you be like a Don't my pride make you look like a small man. Pride is good. And we can say, alright, my brother. You see the clothes on a bridge every time they pass. Then I bridge and I see the clothes, hear me, rotted. I was going to say, my brother, start off and I say, hear me now, I know them say, my brother. Me I talk loud because I don't want to say me too fast. And I see the clothes. Don't pull on our house there, build it up. And take it on there as a souvenir. Make it be an exhibition. If you don't want to take me and kill me, I phone no business, me a talk. You can't kill me, me don't talk. Make that clothes on there. My brother, you know what them? You wear good boot now. And your good clothes now. And you're gone clear. You see big thing you make up on a bridge there. Them here, Mackenzie want to come pull it down. And can't pull it down, you stop here around things. Plop, 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 boom, 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 boom. Thank you, sir. You know what happened again, Jamaica. Jamaica, you know what happened, my brother. Telling people them say, they will stop throw the rubbish at the gully. That's what my brother do. And tell them to stop throw the rubbish at the gully. And not tell them that stop. My brother do it from up at top and tell them say, don't do it. And they won't stop. They say my brother show off and I went to see my guanso. But in the after say when see my guanso, he must protect the environment, he must protect the community from getting mosquitoes and typhoid fever. So the after say my brother say, I went to see my guanso. He's doing the right thing for the community. You hear? And they won't stop. And my brother type it out them. So my brother give it up now. They go little bad. My brother no worries about it because they now hear what you say. They must say, boy, you live now like one room or so. But them brought down to order, go upon them too. They can't stop you, them a bad mind. A bad mind against you. My brother, you just go call the KSLC to go kill the gully. But you talk to them, and me will call me as a witness. For me, you tell them. And they won't stop. So you call me and me will talk for you. Me no want to know for you, but me I talk for the health service of the people, them health and the community, the cleanness. You talk to them, say they will take you out. All of them take up their phone, sir. They take up their phone and ray. KSSC, they go to black up. KSSC, they go to black up. Talk about KSSC, they go to black up. My brother talk to them about the gully. And say, we'll take you out and we'll not do it. What are we going to do? My brother, that's Florida now. What are we going to do now? In that Florida. What are we going to do? All right. Blam, blam. Yes, you know, easy. I'm going to do it.
Subscribe to this channel. It starts at YouTube.